Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leah and I like to share vegan recipes and ideas. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe and hit the little bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video. Today we are going to make something from my childhood. I used to love these fried cottage cheese pancakes back in Russia. They usually served as a brunch or breakfast dish, or even dessert with sour cream or jam or honey. Now that I'm vegan, I'm going to show you how I make these very simple but tasty patties in a vegan version. Are you ready to make Tofurniki? So let's go! So first thing we need to do, we need to cover this 1 cup of raisins with boiling water and we're gonna set it aside. Next we're gonna peel 2 very ripe bananas and we're gonna smash them with a fork. Next we're going to add our tofu. The consistency is very similar to the cottage cheese. And all we need to do is just drain the water and crumble it up. Now we're gonna mix that mixture together with bananas. And next we're going to zest a half a lemon. And now we're gonna squeeze the juice of half a lemon as well. Next we're gonna add half a teaspoon of sea salt and we're gonna add half a cup of maple syrup and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Now mix everything well together again. Now we're gonna drain the water from raisins and we're gonna add the raisins to the mixture and mix well again. Next we're gonna add vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Give it another mix, and now we're gonna move on to adding flour. So I added half a cup at a time, and we're gonna need, for this amount of tofu, we're gonna need 2 cups of flour. Now our mixture is ready and we're going to fry this Tofurniki. I preheated my grill and I use no oil here, but you can fry them in a little bit of oil on a frying pan too. So about 2 or 3 minutes on each side until they are nicely golden brown. Alright, now we're ready to flip. And we finished cooking on the other side. Now these guys are ready. And we're gonna cook the rest. Now this batch makes quite a lot, so if you just want to try a little bit, you can cut this recipe in half. Okay, now we're ready to serve it. I used to love these fried cottage cheese pancakes. They're so good. They're delicious served hot out of the pan. The outside is still crispy, the insides are creamy. I like to serve them here with some fresh strawberries from my garden and maple syrup. It's also usually good with like coconut yogurt. They can also be stored in the fridge for a couple of days, and this could be a nice breakfast meal prep idea. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please click on the like button, I really appreciate it. And leave in the comments below what you think about this recipe and if you ever want to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed again. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!